Alright guys, so today I'm going to show you how to apply a ceramic coating to your window. It's really hard to find a really good ceramic coating because in order to find something that bonds really well to windows, it takes a special type of compound. I was doing a lot of research and I heard great reviews and people raving about Duracoating Technologies Glass X, which is a glass coating. This is like incredibly better than what people normally go to, the Walmart brand Rain-X. There's a couple things that go into coating windows and windshields and whatever. You can use this on all types of glass. It is safe on paint and plastics, but it's made specifically for your windows. You can use it on the side windows, sunroof, rear view mirrors, and the rear window on your vehicles. Just make sure that you've gone through the necessary steps of cleaning your windows properly. I'm just going to walk you guys through real quick what I did to this. I used a 20-degree nozzle. I wouldn't recommend using that on your car paint. I use a 40-degree. It's this little yellow one right here, which is should say there, it's kind of broken up, but it is a 20-degree. I use that on windows to get all the dirt and debris, clean this window off very nicely, foam it up, use a bug X, get all the bugs off that, bug release. So wash it off, do your regular maintenance wash. Then I go ahead and use a clay bar, get all the imperfections out of the window using a quick detailer coupled with that. Any clay bar works. I've been using a clay mitt. From there I use a kind of like a alcohol rub. I just get any type of window cleaner. I get just any type of window cleaner and I go ahead and spray it down. I'll show you guys. Just spray it on there. You don't want to do this in the sun also because it'll leave streaks, but just go ahead and I wipe it down. This is like the last step to make sure that I get all the contaminants, pollen, everything, dust, debris off the window. Also using a glove. I'm really trying to get better with that. Alright, wipe it down and let that dry off. You can see the window is really clean now. There's a couple bubbles on the inside in the tint actually. There will also be, nicks and stuff. You can't really prevent that on your windows. That's from rocks and just regular driving of your vehicles. But you just want to really make sure that your window is completely clean, because with any ceramic coating, including a window coating, you can get the contaminants stuck between the coating and your windshield, and then it will be a nuisance to you, and you just don't want that. It's not something you want. But it's very easy actually to use this product. You put it on my mom's car. And she quite likes it. Alright, there we go. Get another rag. There we go. This window is thoroughly cleaned. Now what you can do is you take the applicator pad that is provided from Duracoat, and you just will spray. Generously. And then you will go down and kind of back and forth to cover the whole window. You can see it hazing. That's letting you know that it is being applied. There you go, you can see. And then I like to go back up and down. You can apply up to 3 coatings on your window. It will not hurt anything. Just give it 60 minutes or so of dwell time before adding another coating. So while this side hazes over, I'm going to do the passenger side. 3 sprays will be good enough, but like I said, don't worry about getting your your paint. This is safe on paint, plastics, and trim. Just make sure you're applying it to the whole windshield. And I can't also stress enough the fact that you want to clean your windshield very well before using this, because you will get dirt and debris stuck in there, and then it's very hard to get out. There we go. Make sure you get every angle. And then there you go. It's fully applied to the driver's and passenger side. You can see it on there. I'm gonna get another microfiber rag. I'll grab 2 of them. And we just wipe off any residue. And it's as simple as that. Also, if it's going to rain by you, don't use this coating, because it needs 24 hours of dwell time, so it can't get wet for 24 hours or else it ruins the coating. And you don't want that. This coating is good for, a year plus. I've seen some people run it for 3 years with, the beading. The water beading is just insane. I will give you guys a review tomorrow. I also did a review of the Duracoat recharge to recharge ceramic coatings, which I will be reviewing tomorrow as well, finishing that review. But yeah, so there you go. That's simple. It's as simple as wash your windshield off, use a pressure washer, get all the dirt debris off, use an Iron X, get the iron off, use a clay kit or a clay bar to get the any lasting debris off there. Use a alcohol window cleaner. I use Shriek Free to make sure that you get any of that lasting dust and debris off. Just do a couple sprays, 3 sprays to your applicator pad. Go in the straight up and down motion, then side to side. Do the passenger side while the driver's side dries. Wipe it off with your microfiber towel. Then let it dwell for 60 minutes, and then you can apply a second or third coating, just giving 60 minutes in between for dwell time. And let it cure for 24 hours, meaning you don't want to get it wet. You can drive with it, go about your day. Just make sure that it's not going to rain outside. And there you go. You will be protected for, here, let's see what this guy says. You can read on their website. I'll put the little description in the link in the description below of this guy and the information about it. But you can probably get over a year of life with this, but it's very simple to apply if you see that it's windowing away, if you live in a very rainy environment. All the links to all my stuff will always be in the description below, where you can buy this stuff on Amazon or wherever I pick it up at. And yeah, let me know if you have any questions, concerns, and let me know if you want to see any other products for me to review on my channel. I'll waste my money so you don't have to waste yours. Alright guys, so there's a little bit dust on the window here, but I actually, after I went to the gym and let it sit for 60 minutes, I applied a second coating to the window, and then I applied a single coating to the all the windows on the car, including the rear window. But we can go ahead and test out the hydrophobicness. I have a bottle of water here, and let's see how water just, oh wow, it just literally runs right off. That's like super cool. Yeah, so super easy to apply. I mean, look at that beading. So if you're driving, you won't even need to use windshield wipers. And this coating outlasts all those Rain-X products, the cheap products that you can find at like Walmart, everything like that. But I mean, look at that. And you can see just the beading. Really nice product. Look at that, look at that, look at it roll. Rolls right off, super easy to use. Really cool product. That's the Duracoat right here, the Glass X. That's what I went ahead and used on everything. I used it on the sunroof up there, used it on the side windows, just a single coat on these guys, single coat on the rear, but 2 coats on the front. You can go ahead and add up to 3 coats. Really easy to use this guy. Like I said, all you have to do is make sure that you clean your windows vigorously. You know, spray them off, clay bar, Iron X, and then hit it with a glass cleaner, which is like alcohol cleaner. I'll put links to everything that you need in the description below, but there's a whole bunch of different brands out there. Really sick product. I mean, look at the beading. If you're driving, that water would just wick right off. Surely a lot better than Rain-X and other products alike. It has a check in my book, and it'll be in the description below for you guys to add that to your product arsenal if you're looking to take your windshield protection ceramic coating film to the next level. I mean, look at the beading. I mean, it just comes right off. Really cool, awesome product. Great job, Duracoat.